World Mental Health Day is observed every year on 10th of October with the overall objective of raising awareness about mental health issues and provide information on different programs for treatment of mental illnesses. I would like to specially highlight that due to lack of awareness about mental health issues as well as stigma attached to mental illnesses, people are hesitant to come forward and seek medical help. The good part, however, is that these disorders are treatable and can be easily managed with proper medication and care. Besides, family and community support is critical to recovery from mental illnesses. Therefore, as responsible members of the family and the society, it is for all of us to be empathetic and supportive to the people suffering from mental illnesses. Our government is committed to providing comprehensive and quality mental health care services and is constantly aiming to improve them in the country. The National Mental Health Program is being implemented in all the states and UTs to increase availability and accessibility of basic mental health services through public health care facilities up to district level and to enhance awareness about various mental health issues in the country. To strengthen tertiary care facilities, 25 centers of excellence and 47 postgraduate departments in mental health subspecialties have been supported across the country. Realizing the adverse impact COVID 19 may have on mental health of the people, the government has proactively taken a number of initiatives to provide psychosocial support during this period. This includes setting up of a 24 by 7 helpline, issuance of guidelines and advisories on management of mental health issues, and advocacy through various media platforms in the form of creatives and audiovisuals. Today, on the occasion of World Mental Health Day, I appeal to make use of available facilities so that our country could take care of mentally ill patients in a better and responsible manner. Let all of us resolve to make sure that our country becomes devoid of mental illnesses in the near future. Jai Hind.